Hello, kindergarten artists. Miss Watson here. I'm going to be modeling for you how to create your Giacometti inspired foil sculptures. Now, when we looked at Giacometti's work, we noticed that his work was very elongated, meaning very tall, very thin. It almost looked like the people were going to fall over. They were barely holding themselves up. Here's an example of Miss Watson's finished product. Now, how did I get to this point? Let's get started. First, we're going to be working with the media aluminum foil. Please ask your parents before you take the materials. Let's get started. Foil is a great sculpture material. It's very thin, so you're able to really work with it. You can crunch it, you can pinch it, and notice how it stays in the form that you created. So first, I'm going to start off with the head of my sculpture. And I'm going to take a small piece of foil and I'm going to crumple it up to make that head. So I'm going to kind of make like a circular. I also want to make sure that I have a neck that's going to support my body. So see how I'm pinching kind of a circular or oval shape for that head, and I'm making almost like a tail for that neck. So now I have the start of my Giacometti sculpture. Next, I'm going to take another piece of foil, a little bit bigger this time, and I'm going to make the body. Now remember, the body is very tall and thick. I'm going to do a twist. See how I'm turning the foil and twisting it. I'm also going to keep a little foot at the bottom. So I'm going to kind of fold this upwards and create, see, a little foot. That's going to be holding my sculpture up. So now I have a leg and part of my body. I'm going to take another piece of foil and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to twist it at the top. Remember, I'm pinching, so it's really making that thin piece of foil for the body. And I'm going to make that little foot again because we have 2 feet. So see that little foot. So now I have 2 legs. But now how do I get my legs and my head attached? I need to add a body and some arms. So the same idea, but my arms are going to be a little smaller. So I'm going to use a smaller piece of foil. Again, I'm going to twist, squeeze, crunch, really work with that material. Now, instead of making a little foot, I'm going to make a little hand. And I'm going to take my head and I'm going to stick it right inside here and then wrap it around. So now my arm is attached to my head. I'm going to make my second arm. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Twist, twist, twist. And the same idea, I'm going to add that right onto my person. So see how I'm starting to get that head, neck, and arms. Now I need to somehow attach those feet. I need a body. Get some more foil. And now I'm going to make my body. And keep wrapping it around. See how I tucked that in? Push, pinch, twist, twist, twist. And I'm going to stick my leg right in there and twist it around. Whoa, look how tall this guy is. But now I need to add that second leg. So I'm going to take that and see how I'm just going to, oh, that's the foot, flip it around. I'm going to take that and I'm going to wrap it and bend it around. So now I have my giacometti inspired foil sculpture. I can't wait to see your sculptures. Have fun!